Japan is an endless well of creativity when it comes to tiny gadgets that improve your efficiency while still having fun. But the kitchen, yes, the kitchen, this is the ultimate creativity laboratory, the source of the greatest inspiration for many Japanese inventors. The simple little things we're about to show you will make your work in the kitchen easier, the cleaning process less messy, and the cooking a tad more fun. Number 10. Hangiri Rice Mixing Tub. Rice is omnipresent not only in Asian cuisine, which is why an electric rice cooker is a handy device because you don't have much to do to successfully cook rice when using it. But if you want to use a more traditional method of Japanese-style cooking rice, then you can make your own Japanese rice in a rice mixing tub, also called hangiri. To finish the preparation of your Japanese rice, you have to spread it in a hangiri, which is a large flat wooden container. Use the rice spatula, made of wood or plastic, to gently mix the rice without crushing it. Often a hand fan is used to cool the rice and make it look shiny. Finally, the hangiri preserves the rice warm and fresh for longer once cooked. Number 9. Waterless Auto Cooker Heelseo. The helpful waterless auto cooker Heelseo by Sharp is an incredible machine that makes a meal for you using any ingredients and seasonings you put inside. It does the mixing and heat control automatically, saving you much precious time and headache. If you'll be stepping outside for a while, you can even set the timer to have the meal ready for you by the exact time you reach home. From waterless to low-temperature cooking, you can make curry, roast beef, omelets, and plenty of other delicious delicacies using the variety of options available in this pot. This is the auto cooker to get if you're hoping to spend as little time on meal preparation as possible. It comes installed with 5 heaters to maintain a high temperature in the cooker at all times and uses a patented consecutive boiling technology that keeps food constantly piping hot. Each grain of rice being cooked in this cooker is heated up to the proper degree, which results in a fragrant finish that's almost reminiscent of the taste of rice made in a traditional clay cook stove. Whether you're having a busy day or in the mood for trying something new, this versatile cooker can adapt to your needs. Use it to either cook washed rice normally or try out the interesting ultrasonic water absorption and quick and fast modes that it comes with and be pleasantly surprised. Number 8. Sushi Roll Machine and Kit. Everyone loves sushi rolls, but not everyone loves what takeout sushi can cost. If you're looking to enjoy some of your favorite rolls, but don't want to pay the premium a sushi restaurant will charge you, a sushi roll machine can help. With the Moxie & Co. Sushi Roll Making Kit, you'll get everything you need to make your own sushi rolls at home. Simply pick up your favorite fish from the market, steam some rice, and add them along with your favorite vegetables to the Sushi Bazooka. Once you've assembled your ingredients, simply close the container, set down some seaweed wrap, and push your perfectly formed sushi roll out to the seaweed base. Roll it up, cut some pieces, and you've got your very own sushi rolls. Number 7. Lovely Squirrel-Shaped Standing Spoon. Rice is a rapidly growing dish in our modern culture thanks to its versatility and suitability for serving with several different condiments and dishes. It can be used with sauces or alongside other ingredients and create a delicious dish for the whole family. However, serving up rice can be a little difficult without a suitable serving spoon, and spoons that sit on your table surface can be unhygienic and easily get covered in an unpleasant way that you would rather they weren't. Fortunately, if this is something that has been of concern to you, then there's a solution, and that solution is this squirrel-shaped standing spoon. Number 6. The Japanese Mandolin Slicer Benriner. The Japanese mandolin benriner made in Japan has the main advantage of having excellent quality overall and yet being offered at a perfectly affordable price. In your kitchen, you'll be able to embellish your dishes very easily while always getting cuts with impeccable precision. An essential option is that the cutting edge of the blade can be adjusted with a central screw to change its cutting height. This Benriner Japanese mandolin offers cutting thicknesses of 1.5mm, 3mm, or 6mm and is equipped with 3 interchangeable blades. But what makes it very strong and durable is the fact that each of these blades is made from a very high quality stainless steel that will not wear over time, allowing you to enjoy your equipment for many years without it ever showing any weakness whatsoever. Number 5. Simple Lemon Spray. You no longer have to slice or squeeze fruits and create a mess. Want to get the juices? Do not need to cut or squeeze the fruit. Simply insert it directly into the full fruit, such as orange juice, lemon, and then a finger pressing a nozzle. Fresh juice can be evenly sprayed on the food you love. A screw-like design can easily be inserted and secured inside the fruit, and the juice fills the filter through the holes in the sprayer. Sprayer also doubles as a sealer. Preserve your fruit juice for later by putting it in the fridge with the sprayer on. Machine washable, easy to use and clean, lemon squeezer and fruit sprayer. Spray citrus fruit directly from fruit to dress your recipes and provide the freshest juice for your delicacies in the most amazing way. Number 4. Vertuo Next Bundle Set. Brew premium quality coffee right in the comfort of your own home with Nespresso's Vertuo Next Bundle Set. It comes with a coffee machine that uses the company's patented centrifusion extraction system and an Aerochino 3-milk frother. The coffee machine lets you choose from 5 cup sizes, 3 capsule sizes, and 28 different styles of coffee. It will adjust the extraction settings according to the capsule coffee being used to ensure that you get the best out of every last drop within. The settings are refined regularly and updates are automatically downloaded into the machine when it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. You can't deny that this is certainly a machine that will come in handy for long-term telecommuting, especially when you need a slight breather or a change of pace. Number 3. Gyoza Press. If you've ever tried to make any food that requires pinched, pleated edges to keep filling inside, you probably wore your fingers out and frustrated yourself. Consisting of a dough wrapper filled with meat and vegetables, gyoza is one of these pesky little creations, but they don't have to be. With a tool like Helen Chen's Asian Kitchen Gyoza Press, you can take the frustration out of making gyoza and cut the time they take in more than half. All you have to do is place a wrapper inside, fill the middle with your ingredients, and press the handles down. Number 2. Electric Hot Pot. A hot pot is a tool that is essential for the modern kitchen as it can serve many different functions and help you to cook a vast array of different dishes and ingredients. However, when buying a hot pot, you want to make sure you've chosen one to suit your needs, and sometimes there isn't the stove space available to use a stove hot pot for cooking your food. It's especially true if you use your stove often for cooking many different things at once. If this is a difficulty that rings true for you, then there could be another option to look into, though. Number 1. Primula Cast Iron Teapot. A premium and stylish blue-colored cast iron teapot for everyday use. With its relatively large capacity, it allows you to serve more than 4 cups and is suitable for use in a working environment with colleagues or when you're camping. It has a stainless steel infuser that can be removed for cleaning, which is very practical. It's best to rinse with clean water and avoid washing it with any cleaning detergent. Rust formation, oxidation may occur at the handle and lid if the teapot is not frequently cleaned, dried, and maintained properly. What is your opinion about these Japanese gadgets? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.